Hi there, and welcome to the Observatory of Economic Complexity. My name is Esteban, and I'm very excited to show you how this platform can help you explore global trade data like never before. The OEC was built by Datawheel to give you powerful tools for tracking and analyzing international trade. Whether you're curious about exports, imports, or specific trade flows, the OEC will help you find, visualize, and understand international trade data. First, let's quickly create your account. Click on Sign In at the top right of the homepage. Then select Create Account. Enter your details. Read and accept the terms and privacy policy, and choose if you'd like to subscribe to our newsletter. You'll receive a confirmation email. Just click the link inside to activate your account. That's it. Now you're ready to start exploring. If you want access to our most advanced features and latest trade data, you can upgrade your account. Just click on your account name in the top right, go to Account, and check out our Pro and Premium plans. We also offer discounts for students and researchers and special pricing for organizations. So if this is your case, feel free to contact us for more details. And one last thing, subscriptions renew automatically, but you can manage yours anytime. Just go to your account page, select Manage Subscriptions and Payment Methods, and from there, you can upgrade, cancel, check invoices, or update your billing info.